This is problem number 1 from section 4.4. In this problem it says use the graph and the factor theorem to list the factors of f of x. So first of all, what is the factor theorem? Well, the factor theorem states that a polynomial f of x has a factor x minus k if and only if f with an input of k equals 0. So remember, this is f with an input of k. So what they're talking about here, f of with an input of k equals 0, they're saying if your x value or your k value, right, your input value produces an output of 0, then it's a factor. Well, when does that happen? Well, that happens anytime the graph crosses the x-axis. So the x-intercepts of a function are factors. So let's go ahead and look at what the x-intercepts are. Well, the x-intercepts are -4, -2, and 2 and 4. Now the x-intercepts, remember, the x-intercepts, we refer to them as zeros. Why do we refer to them as zeros? We'll refer to them as zeros because these are the numbers that make the function equal to 0. And the factor theorem says, okay, if in order for a polynomial to have a factor x minus k, then your input needs to make it a 0. Well, that means the x-intercepts are the factors. So this is a big key here. X-ints are the k term in x minus k factors of the polynomial. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that one of my factors, so I'm going to kind of write these out, factors, one of my factors is going to be, because my x-intercept's -4, it's going to be x minus -4, which is x plus 4. So that's one factor. Another factor is going to be x minus -2, right? X minus -2, which is plus 2. And then another factor is going to be x minus 2. And then the final factor is going to be x minus 4. X minus 4. So there are 4 factors for this polynomial: x plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2, and x minus 4. That's the solution.